Then the next thing that we will be talking about is case routing mechanisms, right? So a routing here, this context, what does it mean? Okay, let us see that. Okay, so when I talk about people working on the assignments or people working on the case types, right, I need to tell who has to work on it, right? Which assignment is intended for whom has to be clearly defined. Correct? So when you take this online transaction as an example, initially the case would be created by you as a customer. So once you make payment, once you confirm the order and all that, the authority now shifts to the vendor, which means the case is being routed to the vendor, right?
Yeah.
After maybe the vendor defines, or if he confirms your order, then it goes to the packaging team, right? It's not like one person would be handling it. There would be a team of people, correct? So at each step we need to tell who should be working on that particular assignment. Okay, sometimes you may have multiple people working on it, sometimes you need one single person working on it. So irrespective of whatever, you always should mention how or who would be working on a particular assignment, whose responsibility it is. Okay, like typically in our projects also, we have each task as a particular team member, right? So it is his responsibility that he should complete the assignment on time.